So I work in Professor Rob Wood's lab. He runs a portion of the Harvard microrobotics projects, and his lab is working on a microscopic aerial vehicle. So it's a little fly that flaps and takes off.
There's this colony collapse disorder going on in the United States, and so the initial motivation was, well, maybe we can come with robots to pollinate the fields. So we're building a micro-robotic swarm of insects for pollination, search and rescue, environmental monitoring, a bunch of different tasks.
I got to be involved in that project over the summer, working to do some further analysis of the machine. What we did is we put little dots on the wings, and I was supposed to take a couple different angles of camera video and create a program that would take this information and parse the images, find out where the dots were, track them in time, and so we could create this 3D model of the wing that we could use to analyze how the fly actually moves through space.
And the RoboBees project is basically interdisciplinary effort to bring together all of these emerging technologies, solving a lot of different problems, from extremely small batteries to stable micro-mechanical flight to swarm intelligence at the broad scale.
It's a good research tool because with our wing we can strap it to something and flap it, which you can't really do with a real fly. But our wing is very similar to a real fly's wing, and it produces similar effects. And so being able to study that in depth is actually a great way to really understand how these insects fly, which is still sort of an open question.
A large portion of our food sources are bee pollinated, and then it turned out there's a lot of interesting problems to solve along the way, and if we're able to produce a swarm by the end of the 5 years, it's going to be a pretty big accomplishment.